Hello everyone. Today I will show how we can first time communicate with Delta PLC DVP-E3 to ES3 in first time when that one is new, and how we can first communicate and how we can set our IP address here. Okay. First we need power supply, and after another Ethernet cable. Just you need to communicate, and I will fix cable to my laptop and need to open HomeGR software. Okay, now we can add a new device, and from device I can write Ethernet, or maybe ES3. ES3 type. I will use Ethernet. And here in description, you need to find your Ethernet uh, description here, Ethernet card you need. From me, this is the Intel R. And I can refresh to this one and search here. Now my Ethernet connection is searching and finding this device here. Okay, now this is my new PLC IP address. Okay, this is my new PLC ES3 IP address here. Now what I need to do, I need to go to control panel, and here network and sharing center. Here I have one Wi-Fi and one Ethernet, and properties, and protocol version 4 TCP, and again properties here. So this IP address should be this IP address, and from here and to here should be same. So from me here, you can see now 192.168.1 the same, and only 5 is changing here. Can show you. Okay, because this is important. This is very important here. Otherwise you cannot you find device but you cannot communicate. So this IP address is I need to follow some IP address here. I already make, and you can make OK. Now, so the setting I know it, ComGR I need to save and close. Okay, here so I close. I will open ASP soft here, and I need to make one new program, and here I just only ES3. This is my model here. Hit test. Okay. Now, no problem. I can make a new LD language, and from tools and communication, I need to drive. I need to choose this. This is C3. What is this drive? Is the ComGR drive? What I found already here. This one. This drive. I choose and OK. Now from PLC, if I want to system information, now I can get here. This is my PLC version here. I will make one small program. Sorry. and compile and download. Now I don't have any problem here. So just this one is in run mode. Okay. Yes. And close. Makes small. And this is my PLC here. If I on now I can go online. Output you can check. If I on M0 Y0 here, so is on. If I off, so now it's working correctly. We already communicate and download one small program inside the Delta ES3.